Good morning, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay and I do lifestyle vlogs. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, it is Friday. My hair looks so it is Friday and today I did not go to work. I stayed home, so we're having a at home Friday today. So this is gonna be like a little weekend vlog. Is right now for the day I actually just wanna have like a chill day, but I also wanna clean and maybe wash. More wash if water come. Otherwise, but I'm really in that mood. I'm in that mood for go to do. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so like outer door look a bit cloudy. Can it be shown? I don't know, it's not sure. It not come up because it literally very cloudy, so yeah, but it's a peaceful day though. Hey guys, so it is like later on in the evening. It's about 4:30 or so now. I did not vlog any of the cleaning. I did a lot of cleaning and then I ate lunch. I went straight to Simpson. I took the day to relax, so it's only fair. Even though I like that was probably near to like 2 o'clock, 1:30 thereabouts. But I still got the chance to enjoy myself. That's important. But anyways, tonight we're having movie night. We're watching the movie Swapped. Guys, I love that movie so much. But anyways, I'm about to set up. So I'm gonna open up and set up everything. And then yeah, get the movie on the road. I think Shanique went up to Kelly's to get some like popcorn and stuff like that. So yeah. Hi guys, so I am back home. The movie experience over the church wasn't bad. The kids are just so loud and they don't know how to behave in a movie, but that's that. Anyways, so right now I'm gonna find some dinner. I am hungry and tired. I'm gonna find food and edit and just chill for the evening and then go to my bed, and then we'll continue this vlog tomorrow, because tomorrow we are heading to Ocho Rios. I have a camps meeting tomorrow and we might go to the beach. We're not sure, so we also need to pack a bag. So yeah, tomorrow we'll pick up this vlog. So we're now in Uchi. We stopped by the plaza and we bought food, so we're gonna eat that before the dinner. No. Oh. Yeah.
The thing I'm that community, so
I like
you're
it.
not as much juicy.
I kinda like that. Aku ang bago lang doon. Isa makang bago lang doon. Aku pakai dulu. My order is taking a while. Just go about it.
Tea machine, real good morning.
It's in the center work, so we're... Oh. Ah, this is... Oh. Anyways, guys, get through, and right now the grab is me. As well, the card machine not working, and like at the kiss up something, it now work, and other now collect card at the other place. Like, anyways, order is taken. That's the good part. So we're at 1-9. So. Sister, please.
Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now.
Hi guys, so it is Sunday. I went to church, got back home. Right now, I'm just chilling for a bit. Mom's cooking dinner. I'm not to feel 100, so I go and just bill. I think I want just or some watch show or something. Then later I have some orders that I need to fill because the person wants to get it on Tuesday, and the day I go somewhere. Well, that day I go somewhere where even if it delivered for me Tuesday. So yeah, I uploaded a vlog. So vlog, and I'm watching my vlog because yeah, you gotta support yourself. So I watch the vlog, and then I do have some more shorts that I need to like edit. So them I need to edit today or something. I don't know, but I'm tired. So let's just let in some lights and turn on the TV.
Does everyone call me that? Yes.
Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer.
Alright guys, I want to show you the products that I just made. So the person asked for some Jamaican products. So they wanted a bracelet, a necklace, and a phone string. So this is the set. Yay! I'm so happy with how they turned out. I really need to get some black and some yellow and probably some green like these, because I couldn't have placed the ones I wanted on it because I did not have the right green. The green that I have is like neon kind of green. Never did I match that, so I didn't put that green on it. But I had this black thing, or black kind of clearish one. Use these black ones, this clear one, and then this yellow one. I need to get some other big beads. And then this is the bracelet and the necklace with the Jamaica. Yeah, I'm still a struggle to do the ending of these, but I'm getting there. This one is very neat, but the end one not so neat. Me really hoping to pull out. But yeah, those are my products. Guys, I haven't seen a banana in ages. But yeah, I get banana, so it's a banana. While watching a movie.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I